Breaking news. My Phoenix Suns hired Frank Vogel as their new coach. Of course, Frank Vogel also coached with the Indiana Pacers and the Orlando Magic and the Los Angeles Lakers. Of course, Vogel won an NBA championship with the Los Angeles Lakers in 2020. So, in the meantime, my Phoenix Suns hired Frank Vogel as their new coach, okay? So my Phoenix Suns hired Frank Vogel as their new coach. I repeat, Frank Vogel is going to be the new coach of my Phoenix Suns. So my Phoenix Suns hired Frank Vogel as their new coach.